This is a video to explain how to download and install the USB driver required for the TR30 speed camera detector. Visit www.tds-gb.com. Place your mouse on the menu bar and hover over Support. Slide your mouse pointer down to the Downloads page. Click on Downloads. You will see the first item at the top of the list is the USB driver for Windows 8.1. This will work in Windows 10. If you slide your mouse pointer down to where it says 8.16 megabytes or MB, as you can see, then left click on 8.16 MB. At the bottom of your screen you will see a downloads box appearing, and that will tell you how long it will take to download the file. Once you've completed the download, you then need to open the folder that it's downloaded into, which in this case will be the Downloads folder. As you can see, the file continues to download. It has about 45 seconds left to run. When your file has completed the download, which this one very nearly has, you will be offered the options to view the downloads. Slide your mouse pointer across and left click on View Downloads. Slide your mouse pointer up to open folder. That will show you where it will show you that the file that you require has been downloaded. The next step is to place your finger on the Windows key, as shown here, or your thumb on the Windows key, and then tap once on the E key, as shown. This will bring up the contents of your computer. It will show you have desktop, documents, music, downloads, pictures. You may have other files and folders on your computer. Double click on the Downloads folder. In the blank open space in the Downloads folder, right click. This will bring up a menu. Slide down to New and then across to Folder. Left click on Folder. This will open a new folder on your computer. We advise that you call this folder speed camera or TR30, TRXX, anything that you will recognise that it is for your TR30. So in this case, because we already have a folder called TR30, we're going to call it TRXX. So type in TRXX and then hit the return key down here as shown. You then need to move the folder that you've downloaded, the file that you've downloaded, into that TRXX folder. So you put your mouse pointer over that file, you press and hold down the left click button on your mouse, and then you drag the file down into the TRXX folder that you've created, and then let the mouse pointer go. This will then transfer that file into that folder. Double click on that folder TRXX that you created. You will see that the file that you downloaded is there and available for you to execute. Double click on that file, and then you need to click on to run. This will then offer you the option of where it wants to extract the file to, which is the folder that you have just created. So you click on extract and it will extract the file into the place that you've created. In order to install the driver, you need to double click on the setup icon. You will then be offered this option that will ask you if you want this program to make changes to your PC. You need to select yes. This will start the installation program that will install the driver for your TR30 to make it work. You click on the next key, and there is a license agreement. You need to accept the license agreement. If you do not wish to accept the license agreement, the driver will not install. So click on accept the license agreement as long as you're happy to do that, and then click on next. This will then start the installation process of the driver. This is the screen that you get asking you if you want to install the driver. Well, if you don't, it won't work. So you need to select install this driver software anyway. You will then find that the driver software has finished installing, so click on the finish button. At that point, the software is now installed on your computer. What you then need to do is to connect the TR30 to your computer. This will then complete the installation of the driver software on your computer. So find your USB connection and connect the TR30 as shown. Your computer will acknowledge the connection of the TR30 and complete the installation of the driver. Thank you very much for viewing this video.